All right, so let's start with our big story that, of course, is coming from Pakistan, where an ancient Buddha statue found during construction work was reportedly vandalized by construction workers. Now, the workers were seen destroying the life-size statue because they considered the relic to be un-Islamic. Now, the Buddha statue was found in Pakistan's Takht Bahi area in the Mardan district while digging the foundation of a house. Now, according to sources, a local cleric then told the workers that not destroying the statue would actually make them lose their beliefs. The video of the incident has since gone viral. Now, the video shows the construction workers destroying the idol using a sledgehammer. Now, the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa police have now arrested all 4 men involved in this incident. An FIR has also been lodged against them under the Antiquity Act of 2016. Now, according to archaeologists, the ancient statue is believed to be from the Gandhara civilization and was roughly about 1700 years old.